Hey everyone, today I'm going to compare Floorp and Zen Browser. Floorp is a highly customizable Firefox-based browser that enhances functionality, flexibility, and security while allowing users to tailor their browsing experience. Its unique features include workspace integration with tab groups and containers, web panels for easy access to social media and chats, and support for mouse gestures and customizable keyboard shortcuts. Floorp actively incorporates experimental developments and community feedback to continuously improve performance. Committed to an open and sustainable web, Floorp aims to provide a modern, user-focused browsing experience for everyone. Meanwhile, Zen Browser is a beautifully designed, privacy-focused browser that prioritizes user experience over data collection. It includes productivity features such as workspaces to organize tabs, compact mode to maximize screen space, glance for quickly switching between frequently used tabs, and split view for viewing two tabs side by side. Zen aims to help users stay focused on efficient while browsing, balancing aesthetics, performance, and privacy. Supported by sponsors and community contributors, it offers a calm and distraction-free internet experience. Now we will talk about their pricing, pros, cons, and customer reviews. Both Floorp and Zen Browser are free and open source. Floorp is praised for its customizability, privacy focus, and ability to handle many tabs. Though it has a smaller community, occasionally UI glitches and fewer extensions. Users appreciate its speed and privacy but note minor bugs. Zen Browser stands out for strong workspace and tab management, a modern UI, and regular updates, but it can experience occasional bugs like DRM media support and vertical tabs may not suit everyone. Users generally praise its smooth, organized experience, though some report stability issues. Overall, Floorp excels in customization and privacy, while Zen Browser offers superior workspace management and a sleek, organized browsing experience. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to see more content like this.